In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel banner on your mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to change your YouTube channel banner, the first thing you will need to do is head over to the YouTube app. Once you open up the YouTube app, obviously you will be on your homepage here. And from here, what you need to do is simply go to your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once you click your profile picture, you need to head over to your channel. And once you head over to your channel, you can now click on the edit channel option. And once you click on that, you'll be sent to this page here. And from here, what you need to do is go to the camera in the top right hand corner of your banner. Once you click the banner, you can simply take a photo, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. So just as an example, I have chose this random screenshot here. So what you need to do once you have chose your image from your gallery is simply resize it and then go ahead and click on save. So that's how you can go ahead and change your YouTube channel banner on mobile.